What if I told you there's a fintech app in Nigeria that pays you daily interest up to 24% annually without needing to refer anyone? It's called MoreMonee, and this app is making waves in 2025. If you're tired of money just sitting in your bank account doing nothing, this is for you. What is MoreMonee MF? MoreMonee is a digital microfinance bank licensed by the CBN and insured by the NDIC. It's designed for smart Nigerians who want more from their money. Whether you're saving small or running a small business, MoreMonee gives you interest on every naira saved. Key features that help you earn. Let's talk money features because that's why you're here. Daily interest. Automatically earn interest on your account balance. FutureBox savings. Lock your savings for up to 12 months and earn fixed APR. Landlord plan gives 4%. Jethro plan gives 10%. And Makarios plan, a whopping 24% annual return. Referrals, invite friends and earn bonuses. Business features, bill payments, airtime top-up with cashback, and even business cards. Step by step. How to start. Getting started is easy. 1. Download the app from Play Store or App Store. 2. Sign up and complete KYC with your BVN and ID. 3. Choose personal or business account. 4. Select the savings plan that fits you. 5. Watch your interest roll in daily or monthly. How much can you earn? Here's a quick earnings breakdown. If you put 10,000 naira into the Makarios plan 24% APR, you're looking at 2,400 naira in annual interest, or about 660 naira every month. If you leave 5,000 naira idle in your balance, daily interest still applies. That's passive income at your fingertips. Safety, trust, and warnings. Is it safe? Yes, but with cautions. MoreMonee uses LionGuard and trusted partners to secure your funds. It's also NDIC insured. Maximize earnings with smart combos. To boost your income, stack FutureBox plus referral bonuses. Enable bill payments for cashback. Use the Ajo savings feature to join group savings and get higher rewards. Track your daily interest growth to stay motivated. MoreMonee is more than just another savings app, it's a new way for Nigerians to grow their money daily. Try it out and comment below with which FutureBox plan you picked. Landlord 4%, Jethro 10%, or Makarios 24%. And don't forget subscribe for weekly fintech hacks that help you earn smart, right here on Earn Smart Nigeria. However, some users report occasional login or support delays. Always use strong passwords and keep your app updated.